In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude on Windows 11 step by step so you can get the desktop app up and running in just a few minutes. Whether you want to use Claude for writing, brainstorming, research, or everyday productivity, this guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to claude.ai download. This is the official Claude download page, and using the official website is always the safest way to make sure you're getting the real app. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Click that button to start downloading the installer file. After the download is complete, open your downloads folder on your Windows 11 PC. You should see a file called claude Setup.exe. This is the installer for the desktop app. Double-click the file to run it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the setup to continue. Now here's the good news. The installation process is automatic. You don't need to manually pick folders or change advanced settings. Just let the installer do its thing and wait for it to finish. Depending on your internet connection and system speed, this may only take a short moment. Once the installation is complete, Claude will launch automatically. At this point, you'll see the sign-in screen. To continue, sign in using either your email address or your Google account. Choose the option that works best for you. Complete the login process, and then you'll be inside the app and ready to start using Claude on Windows 11. And that's it. You've successfully installed Claude on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.